friends, welcome to Candlesticks Decoded. As we discussed in our last video, Nifty is in the weekly chart currently forming lower high lower low formation, and we were expecting Nifty to take resistance from certain level and to make a fall from there. And that resistance level might be from this trend line, that is in the daily chart. Nifty is currently respecting this trend line and we were expecting the market to fall from this trend line, and as we expected, Nifty has given a fall for nearly 4 days from this level itself, and we were expecting Nifty to take resistance from the levels, that is R1 and R2, R3, which I have provided the last week itself. We could see here exactly what happened in Nifty was Nifty has taken resistance from this level of R2 and has given a great fall from this level. I am expecting market to make fall up to this 22,500. If Nifty happens to break and sustain below this level of 22,500, Nifty might also reach 22,160 level also. So regarding the weekly chart, we have still 3 more days to go. Let's wait and see what happens in Nifty. Thank you friends. Have a safe and profitable trade.